It was when he was 7 years old that Alan Linharis's life changed.
Right. It is a feeling of isolation.
At 7, he and his 2 siblings were taken from their mother, who he says was abusive.
They went to one home, I went to another. They were adopted. I was left in the system.
Throughout his childhood, he was in and out of foster care.
But I was also abused and neglected in foster homes.
Both he and this audit are critical of Oregon's child welfare system. It found chronic management failures, a lack of recruiting and retention of foster parents, and massively inadequate staffing.
I wish I could say I was surprised. Unfortunately, I'm not.
Robin Christian heads up CASA of Clackamas County. CASA stands for Court-Appointed Special Advocates, volunteers who are paired up with foster kids. They're advocates who help give traumatized children a voice. She says the failures she's reading in the new audit are the same as they were 10 years ago.
We know what we need to do to keep kids safe. We continue not to make the investments to make it happen.
The audit also found foster parents don't have enough support.
Children are emotionally devastated. They've been stripped from their families. Families are the first lesson a human gets in community. I think when you pull a kid from a family without the proper supports, you also pull them from a community.
But for Brooke Gray, who is a foster parent, community is what has made a difference in her experience.
The reality is that the worst thing that the community can do is point their fingers and walk away from the agency or back away from getting involved.
As for ways to help, there are a number of opportunities to volunteer through court-appointed special advocates. There are also other programs that you can join, especially we spoke with Brooke Gray, for instance. She's the head of Every Child Oregon. That program allows people to volunteer. They make things like welcome boxes for kids who are just entering the system. Some volunteers simply sit with children to make them feel more comfortable. We'll post more information on our website, kgw.com. That is also where you'll find details on the audit. Back to you.